Hello, I'm Professor Williams, and today I would like to talk about our novel anti-diabetes drug candidate, which we have called ENOblock. So first, some background about what happens during diabetes. So in normal, healthy people, the pancreas produces insulin, which enters the bloodstream and then promotes the uptake of glucose into cells after we eat a meal. And you can see how insulin is working here. So insulin binds to the receptor on the cell surface. Channels are localized to the cell surface and they uptake glucose from the blood. But in diabetes patients with type 2 diabetes, this insulin does not work and the channels cannot take up so much glucose from the blood, and also a protein called pepsi-K increases in the liver, and this causes liver cells to release extra glucose into the blood, and then these factors contribute to the high blood glucose level or hyperglycemia we see in patients with type 2 diabetes, which produces a number of significant side effects affecting different tissues such as vision, heart tissue, liver, and it also is linked to the development of obesity. Now in our lab, using a zebrafish system, we screen for novel drugs that can uptake glucose into cells, and we found this candidate which we have named ENOblock. Now if ENOblock can be taken as a medicine, what would happen is that the ENOblock would enter the bloodstream and then it can promote glucose uptake into cells. How this can work is by binding to a cytoplasmic protein called enolase. Enolase then moves to the nucleus of the cell and affects the gene expression of pepsi-K. So pepsi-K expression goes down, decreasing glucose release from the liver tissue. And the second effect is that ENOblock can promote glucose uptake into cells. So these two effects can both work together to lower the high blood glucose level we see in diabetes patients. And then this ENOblock compound also has significant effects on the development of diabetes complications, reducing those complication progression, so increasing the health of the patient. Thank you for your attention.